Yelp is one of the most controversial lead generators I think that exists today. As a Yelp preferred partner, actually in 2023, Yelp actually reached out to ClickCallSell to ask if we wanted to be a preferred vendor of their ad platform. My first reaction was absolutely not. There's no way I would ever do that. After a few months of their persistence, they started to showcase all of the opportunities that Yelp gives for some industries. I'll be the first person to say that I don't like Yelp and I wish that Yelp didn't exist. I've actually told Yelp that. But they're in the game, and if you don't play the game, you can't win the game. And what we have the access to do is look and see how many searches are happening for Yelp in your area, how much competition do you have for Yelp in your area, and how much money is your competition spending. So you get all the data to make an informed decision to make sure Yelp is the right decision for you. It's definitely not for everybody. It works much better in larger markets and higher ticket services, but to get the information that you can make an informed decision for yourself is the best place to start. At ClickCallSell, we never force you to do anything. We allow you to have the insights and share anything we can to make you give you the most information we possibly can to make the best decision for your business.